Welcome to my channel, Dark Skin Next Door, and today I was showing you how I dyed this hair, how I colored this hair with just developer alone. And I did use a 30 developer. This hair, I will link everything down below. I did cut the lace for you and style it for you. Today I'm wearing bomb lashes only. I will link everything down below. These lashes are so cute. Right here, very natural mink lashes. And she did send me 3 of them, so I was very happy. The ones I have on now, the name is Lola. But I have these 2 right here, Barbie and the other one. So these lashes are really natural. They're so pretty, very pretty in the light and for nighttime. So these are the lashes. I will link everything below. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I do try to upload when I can. I usually do once a week, but I'm very busy. I do work another job and I do go to school. So it's a little difficult doing all 3. I really hope you enjoy the video. Thank you, dolls. Okay, so I'm using this big bowl and then I'm using a 30 developer. I should have used the 40 because it is stronger, but the 30 was okay and it wasn't damaging the hair. So this is how the wig looked before I did everything. To detangle the hair and brush the product through the hair, I'm using a demi brush. So I'm just pouring the developer on top, soaking the hair as much as I can. I believe I did use most of the bottle of the developer. Extremely easy, and now you'll just let it sit for about 30 minutes. This is how the wig looked before. I did pre-pluck the front and put it up in a ponytail because I was going to do half up, half down. This is how the inside looks. I did add foundation on the inside just to help it look more natural. Now we're going to apply the wig. I'm just measuring it and see how I want it to be fitted on my head, and then I will begin gluing. So this is where I noticed I did not like it half up, half down, so I just decided to make a side part. It came out so cute. So thank you for watching, dolls. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below to Dark Skin Next Door.